Good afternoon, this is Desert Fox from Springs and Desert, and today we are going to be using some of our essential oils to make a natural mosquito repellent spray, and other bugs too, but I live in Mexico and there are so many mosquitoes, and I just can't stand the smell of all of the totally citronella based ones, the commercial ones that are on the market. Plus, I'm a redhead, I have very sensitive skin, and a lot of the additives that are in them are not too cool with my skin. So I have done a lot of research, hours and hours and hours of research on what essential oils repel mosquitoes and other bugs. And I came up with lavender, geranium, which, oh my God, this smells good. Lavender too, obviously, but eucalyptus, of course, citronella, we'll have some of that in there, and peppermint oil. Now, tea tree oil was also recommended, but I don't have any of that, so we won't be using that today. I'm going to be using the base recipe that we made our lavender linen spray with, which is 1/4 cup of witch hazel to 3/4 cup of distilled water. Now, my container, I measured how much it holds, and it holds approximately 2 cups of liquid. So I figure if I double that recipe, giving 1/2 cup of witch hazel and 1.5 cups of distilled water, oh my goodness, my little thing is moving. Okay, new toy. Then I'll just fill it up the rest of the way with the water. So I have measured out 1/2 cup of witch hazel, and I'll be putting it in our... It's very important to use a brown or green, some sort of, or dark blue bottle, because essential oils are very detrimentally affected by light. And the witch hazel in this case is an emulsifier, which enables the oil to blend, oils in this case, to blend with water, because of course oil and water don't mix. So there's our witch hazel. Now, I am going to put in 5 drops of each of these. This is totally an experiment. I have not done this before. And I want to see what that smells like. And frequently we use from 40 to 80 drops for 2 cups of liquid. So I figure starting out with 5 drops of each will be... I can adjust it easily. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the citronella. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the lavender. And this is the eucalyptus. 1, 2, 3. This bulb is toughy. Eucalyptus. Oh, that smells good. Now, last but not least, the geranium. Oh, it smells like the richest roses. I don't know. I've never smelled geranium oil before. This is brand new for me, but gosh, it's wonderful. Okay. Now, let's give this a good swirl, give that witch hazel a chance to work with the oils. Mix them all up real good. Let's see what that smells like. Interesting. Well, I don't think I want to use it as perfume, but it's certainly better than citronella. Let's add some more floral stuff in there. Since all of them are things that they don't like. Okay, so there's 10 more. The gardenia, geranium. More lavender. Maybe more eucalyptus. Oh. Squeeze bulb is like hard plastic. Okay. So then a little. That's nicer. Yeah, fill her up with the distilled water. That is awesome. So now we have a completely natural, with no additives, mosquito and other bugs repellent. Yay, put a label on this and we're done. Have a good one.